Homeowners, welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about curtains, a crucial component of furniture design. Yes, curtains really do create or break a room's appearance. They can make your place appear unattractive if chosen and fitted improperly. But do not fear. So let's start now. Mistake 1. Poor curtain length and width. Size is important when choosing curtains. An uneven and awkward image can be produced by hanging curtains that are excessively short or too narrow. Always make sure your curtains are long enough to gracefully touch the floor and wide enough to completely cover the window when drawn. Mistake 2. Selection of the wrong fabric. The wrong fabric selection can have a significant impact on how your home looks and feels overall. In contrast, sheer materials might not offer enough privacy. Heavy fabrics, such as velvet, can make a space feel gloomy and stuffy. Decide on a fabric that goes well with your decor and lets the correct amount of light through. Mistake 3. Hanging curtains too low. The most typical error is to hanging curtains too low. The best location for curtains is as close to the ceiling as feasible. This gives the impression that the room is larger by visually extending the height of the space. Mistake 4. Inadequate curtain fullness. A curtain's lack of fullness might make it appear scant and uninteresting. To produce a sumptuous and full image when the curtains are drawn, aim for drapes that are at least twice the width of the window. Mistake 5. Ignoring curtains hardware. It can be a great error to disregard the curtain hardware. Your curtain's appearance might be devalued by using poor quality or mismatched rods, rings, or tiebacks. Make an investment in high-quality hardware that matches the aesthetic of your decor as a whole. Mistake 6. Clashing colors and patterns. A visual disaster might result from mixing patterns and colors that clash. Choose drapes instead that go well with your current decor and color palette. Choose simple patterns or solid colors that improve the ambience of your home overall. Mistake 7. Improper curtain maintenance. Last but not least, disregarding curtain maintenance might result in a worn-out, neglected appearance. To keep your curtains appearing new and appealing, be sure to dust, clean, and iron them frequently. Okay, viewers, that's it. You may improve the appearance of your house overall and create a more aesthetically pleasant room by avoiding these 7 typical curtain flaws.